Welcome back to my channel. My name is Melanie Ferguson and you are watching Southern Crush at Home. If you are new here, welcome, come on in. We have so much fun here on my channel. If you would love the videos that you watch, just hit that little subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you can get alerted every single time a new video comes out. Listen, today we are going to make a fun DIY with a coffee can. Yes, a plastic coffee can. We are going to turn it into something like this. So stinking cute. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. This is such an affordable project because we are simply totally using a plastic Maxwell House coffee can. You can obviously use Folgers, but we just are a Maxwell House family. So once you have spray painted the lid and the bucket, you're gonna take some of this clear wax that I'll link below in the description and just give it a once over. And this is gonna make it have a really smooth, non-sticky finish, as well as give a great spot for us to adhere our stencil to. Now this stencil is from a set of stencils that I will also link below that are super cute for the laundry room. Now you want to make sure that you have it centered in the center of your coffee can front, and then you're just going to take this chalk paste. I have it in the color Preaching to the Choir, and I will put that in the description as well. Super easy to use. It just goes on smooth with this little squeegee. You can use whatever squeegee you have, and then just make sure to go in smooth single strokes across the screen. This is one of those reusable stencils. I absolutely love them. Once you have that on there, you're going to peel back your stencil to reveal your words, and this is where the magic happens. So we are making a lint bin or a lint box for the side of your dryer to keep all of your dryer fuzz lint in. So to make it kind of a farmhouse look, I'm taking this black acrylic craft paint and drawing in the lines at the bottom and the top of the coffee can. It just so happens that they are perfectly placed to make it look farmhousey. It is so awesome. Tell me in the comments below if you think that you will try to make one of these for your house as well. I love being organized, and I love that this is something that can be done in just a short amount of time. Now, next thing I'm going to do is take this Crafter Square black and white buffalo check vinyl from the Dollar Tree and trace out the lid of my coffee can. I'm going to cut this little section out, and we are going to cover that little part that says Maxwell House on the lid because it is embossed. So paint does not cut it. You can still read Maxwell House on top. So this should do the trick. It is a simple hack to cover the top of the coffee can lid. Now I'm going to apply the sticker starting with the center and just slightly pressing down, smoothing outward to the edges. Now I don't know why this always happens to me, but mine is just always just a little bit larger than it needs to be. So I'm just pressing it out to the very, very creased edges of the coffee can lid. Then I'm going to take my straight knife, the little X-Acto knife from the Dollar Tree, and just kind of work my way around the lid, removing all of that excess. So it really works out nicely, and it leaves a really clean, smooth finish. And I'm loving the results of the buffalo check. I hope you do too. This is just yet another way, without a cutting machine, to use that Dollar Tree Crafters Square vinyl. Next up, we're going to add this glass knob, also from the Dollar Tree. This project, I cannot express enough, is so budget friendly. So just screw off the bottom pieces and get it ready for adding to the top of the coffee can lid. Before we do that, we're gonna need to make a hole. And I learned this little trick where you can take the heat tip of your hot glue gun, press it inward, and actually make a hole. Now my point and my tip was not sharp enough to get all the way through, so I had to add this little tool from the Dollar Tree. It's kind of I don't know, a sharp little pointy edge thing, and I worked a hole into the top. Then I'm just gonna thread that glass knob on and replace the nut on the knob. Bada bing, bada boom. What a stinking cute lid. So to make it match the bottom half of our lint bin, I am again taking that black acrylic paint and just painting around the trim and edges of this lid. Now I decided, once I got started, I kind of got carried away, which is fine. It turned out really, really cute, but I decided to paint the outside edge, the inside edge, the top edge, the bottom edge. I ended up painting all of the trim of this lid. Now I did of course leave the white band in the middle, but I am loving the result. I think that it looks very much like that enamel look that is so super popular right now, that people are using for containers in their refrigerator, planters, vases, all sorts of enamelware. And this little black trim hack makes anything look like enamel, and I absolutely love, love, love this effect. So let me know again in the comments below if you will try this for yourself. So once I put the lid on, here I go. I decided it just needed that extra to do the bottom half of the coffee can lid with the black trim as well. The part that I love the most about this enamel drawing on here is that it does not have to be perfect. You can see I'm trying to rest my hand on here to make it pretty much a clean stroke, but that is part of the beauty of the enamelware look. It is not perfect. It is not a straight line. It's actually kind of a broken brush stroke looking effect. So it's perfect for crafters like me. Let me know if that's like you as well. Now, last but not least, I wanted a way to attach this to my dryer. So you can always put the magnets on the back, but I decided to use mine on the side. And so you just take these magnets from the Dollar Tree, you can find them everywhere, and you put a little hot glue on them and put them here. I will be honest, it ended up taking more than just 2. It took 3 to get to stick to the side of my dryer. But this is the way that it looks. I do actually have something else I put underneath here, but just for video purposes, I wanted to show you how it works and that it is on. Well, what did you think? Do you love fun, simple, and easy DIYs like this one? I think it turned out super cute and it's totally functional. I use this in my laundry room, just connect it right there to the dryer to collect all of the lint. Oh my goodness, you guys. Whoop. Used to have coffee in it. Now it stores my lint. I love how it's kind of like a little bit of a farmhousey feel, and I'm of course obsessed with my Dollar Tree Crafter Square buffalo check vinyl on top and that little Dollar Tree glass knob. Listen, let me know in the comments below if you will be trying to make one of these for yourself. And until next time, my friend, stay inspired. Mwah.